Good morning everybody. So this is just a quick update on my Polygel, Venalisa Polygel nails that I put on. This hand I put on the 2nd of January and this one I did on the 3rd. So they're just over a week in, and these ones I painted, and as you can see they're still in perfect condition. Some regrowth here, but they're still well and truly intact. There's no lifting at all. This one I never attached. Which one was it? This one wasn't attached to my nail properly because it was the form, the jewel form was too small for my nail, so it popped up and it's actually not attached correctly. I can actually get my finger in between the nail and the gel, but it's still intact. I thought that would have popped off quite quickly, but as you can see there's lots of regrowth. I'm sure if I started filing it would sort of chip away along here, but it hasn't lifted and it hasn't peeled off or anything. Even this nail, which has got a water decal on, before I've put decals on and they've come off within a day, but I used obviously the Polygel, and then on top of the Polygel I actually used the new CANNI Reinforce and the CANNI top coat, and it's still perfectly intact. The cap has come off, but you know, when you look at it from above it's still absolutely perfect. It hasn't chipped off or anything, so I'm really happy with that, because I haven't had much luck with water decals at all in the past. So very happy with that. They're getting way too long. I can barely type at work. I have to do it like with my fingernails now. It's really I've had comments from the drivers at work that, why do you type like that? Well, I'm not surprised with talons like that. So yeah, way too long for me. So when these come off, or I'll file them down to shorter length. These ones I put on the day after, which I did on YouTube for you all to see. They're still intact. I'm quite happy with them, apart from the bubbles, which I've said before, and I've had lots and lots of comments on how I can improve, and I do appreciate all the comments. What I don't understand is why some people put negative comments, and I just think if you haven't got anything nice to say, don't bother to say it at all. But I really do appreciate all hints and tips, because I am learning. So they all get noted, and I do try, and next time I put them on I will try some of the suggestions that have been put forward. And I hope I give inspiration to those that are in my situation as well. But again, there's been no lifting. I'm really happy with those, because before now with the Venalisa hard gel, I think I must have put it on too thin because they just snapped. But this is really strong, you know, and like I say, I actually type with my fingertips, so that's how strong it is. I've just got to master the art of putting it on, because there are lots of bubbles. I can see a huge bubble there now. So yeah, very happy, and I'll show when I do an infill, I'll video that. But I'm actually working on a design at the moment as an inspiration challenge, which I've almost completed, so I will be putting that up next week, because we're not allowed to put it up until the person that instigated the inspiration has formulated all of the designs together and put them up on her channel. So as soon as that goes up, I'll put my design up. It's very nice, another regally type design, and and I'll also be doing a show and tell of my workspace, because I've had quite a few requests to see that. So yep, very happy with Polygel, Venalisa Polygel. I've actually also ordered the CANNI version, which I believe is exactly the same, but they have some different colours, some more neutral colours. So I've ordered those, and I'll give those a review when it arrives, and also some Blossom gel, which I've got coming too. So have a good day, peoples, and I'll see you soon. Bye.